say una know say na pity make this guy engage this girl. Hope you know say there is no love and the lady is aware. So because say you suffer with man when he had nothing, it means say you go buy yourself on top the man. Are you ready to deal with a cheat and a flirt for the rest of your life? Like the day where I go do interview with this guy they look me lustful in front of a woman. He lose focus. I can't dey shame for the woman. Say don't he see you? At least you are here. Pretend like say you don't like woman. Give your girlfriend that little respect. See woman they disgrace herself. It irritates me. Your boyfriend F up. When you for caution him, you can't the right epistle. My man is this. My man does not cheat. We've been together for years. Now that one they ask you. These girls will come out. Now just few of the many girls so your husband don't mess up with. I am telling you because I know. This is what happens when you have given up on yourself as a lady. You feel say if this man leave you, no other man will see you. How are you defending a cheating man like that? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Please. Talking about I am the one behind the camera. Now me for be behind the camera. Now me the video him and the girls when they do interview. No, my palette for they do am. Thanks for the information. You they follow and go everywhere. No, say for that same interview where you did for your fronts koro. If it's do wetin you want do, you no go know. The guy no get leg to go meet them for back. The girl funny you. Funny anyhow. If you even stand there self, the man go they try get for your front. Tell you say na content. I am engaged to him. Okay. They use that one talk. They use that one brag. Even when that guy engaged that lady, if you look the video if you now look that video closely, he was not smiling. He was not happy. It looked forced. Make I do and make I rest. Unlike the lady who was genuinely happy because what I suffer with him, he must marry me. They put yourself for trap where you know if you come up from. I tell you, my husband is not a cheat. Good girl, you're standing for your man. You go see red for your eye. You go red past red itself. You know if you tell me say you know say your man a chronic cheat, you better open your eye yo. Because if na marriage you're hungry you, when the guy finally marry you, I mean when you finally see that marriage, you go run. That man is not in love with you. What will people say after she don't suffer with me? They'll call me a bad person. That's the case here. You cannot tell me you don't know what I'm talking about. You know, but guess what? You will still do your mind anyways. There are some things I will not say here. There are things I will not cast because I'm in a good mood today. But sister, no say they don't want you. Forget I want to fight for my man. Better get sense because you still young. If you old, you go worse pass. You better leave now before it's too late. If not the money where you don't hustle with them, they do you. Ask for your own share. Start your life afresh. We all need to help this lady, yo. Because a woman who is desperate about marriage, no care about her happiness. You and your husband carry that and come on a show. They talk nonsense about me. Say she go do one thing. If they're born her way, or if she born her children way, no be to cap now. I know hard to find. Cross my lane. If I do my own, no call them. No call them witchcraft though. Because I did my own una they jump. Una see what una they find. Now can they find pity. Carry my enemy come on an interview. They talk about me. Both you, your girlfriend and the woman una they una life. Same pattern. They with man we no love you. Man they with you because of pity. They cheat like a grandma the woman they talk what she don't feel do. That one where her life don't spoil. Feel like about where them warm. If you know say this guy don't ask you as before, don't cheat with you. While in gets girlfriend. Speak now or forever remain silent. Make una talk because me I know some of una. If una no talk, I go talk Make the matter choke. Maybe that one go open the girlfriend eye. My DM is open. Come with proof.
Well. I want to believe that we have all seen the video. 2 days ago, Egungun of Lagos' wife came out to say they are blackmailing her husband that he should pay 20 million naira. Abi, she said some amounts that if he does not pay, that they go release the noodles. And today, yesterday, they eventually released the noodles. Now, I have a lot of things to say. This is not an episode of we listen, we don't judge, or we watch, we don't judge. Me, I go judge. I go judge. So let's start with the comment section, right? People are saying Egungun of Lagos say Ebola small, Ebola small. Bola, shut up in her mouth. First of all, me and that guy Bola safe, not twins. We get twins Bola, and they please the people when they please. It's not about the length, it's about how you use it. In short, it did not please the girl. I go use my tongue continue, I go use my hand. I'm all over say most of my editors say the Bola small, not be the same when they use on a finger till they put her inside and when they come. Women, if you don't see that kind of thing, the Bola is small, the Bola is small. Meanwhile, according to Totopi, say the G-spots they 4 inches away. And that Bola when I see, and the same thing with my size, now about 6 inches. Do you understand? So all those I want to talk now, by the way. Now let's come to the subject matter, right? Egungun of Lagos, I believe you were careless. And also I blame you 80% of what's happening to you. This video, I blame you. Do you understand? I blame you. All those guys say they carry where they get big news. You know nothing at temptation. Do you understand? Every time big news, you don't even give room for guys so they get flat nash. It's plenty. Now you see, I just blame you for the way everything happened. And you would have been so smart enough to actually not see that thing that happened to what happened to Google of Lagos. It don't happen to me severally, right? It don't happen to me severally. This time my noodles don't leak. And if you notice, everybody where their noodles leak, I know they ever talk against them. You know why? Because it don't happen to me. And I don't know how, I know how that addiction is. It's an addiction. It's a very strong battle to fight. Do you understand? It's a fetish that you want make person they look you when you do run out. When they rub yourself. It's a fantasy or a fetish. Right? It happens to me severally. I feel just send and give random babe. Do you understand? I feel just send them. So it's something, bro. It's not alien. It happen. But if you go off Lagos, you get position where you go don't reach. Or as a person, you get position where you go reach, you go be careful. If I don't see one, if you even go Snapchat. If you even go Snapchat. And also again, you in your own bad self, you can't even get wife. You can't even get wife. But again, you are only human, oh, my brother. You be human being, bro. Don't let anybody shake you, man. You be human being. Temptation happen. But you just gotta respect your wife. That's just the only thing I can tell you. You understand? And more so, please. We only get big nyash they put. We will like get say their nyash flats. You know they put them for us. We are the Ayastar gang. You understand? We are not just the Ayastar gang. We still there for the Solani badge. All those get say their nyash be like ties. We still there their gang. You understand? Forget their character. Normally. There's some plenty girls in this country where no get sense. Normally, na spec the even that V where open a soccer way that they vomit shit on top of my matter. You understand? Normally, I for pick up our face to do and because of our, the lane this thing. They show us some kind of slim singers, maybe we pick babes from. You know, understand? Show us some kind slim chicks. And I'm currently live with Lagata. I'm on here and I'm currently live with Bonga Fish. I get maybe like Bonga Fish. I'm currently live with Rope of Trouser. You understand? Get maybe like Rope of Trouser. And I'm currently live with Cobwebs. Get we slim like Cobwebs. We did, we want the flip, the bend. All of us like. But anyways, don't be hard on yourself, oh my brother. It happen to a lot of people like me, like I said, it don't happen to me severally. But just that, remember, this love I don't even carry my own before post. Me, I don't send anybody. You understand? But please, after this one, don't let them happen again. Respect your wife. You understand? Don't let it happen to you again. Respect your wife. And if not addiction, look for a way to control them. It happens to us, the ones who get addiction, especially the ones who get masturbation addiction like us. You understand? To fight it is not easy. Me, I tell people every day, and I no send, bro. I dey fight them, and it dey work for me so far. Last time was 5 days ago anyway. But I did try. 5 days ago, I try. Egungun, man, don't be hard on yourself, my bro. Don't be hard on yourself, bro. Don't be hard on yourself. And Nigerians, wanna leave him, Joe. Egungun. So if I say you dey please, don't worry yourself. Peace and love. Don't play. Else you gonna learn. And Egungun wife, I beg forgive him. Thank you. Peace and love. Don't play.